Are you ready to finally ditch those spreadsheet-induced headaches and conquer your finances? First up, Monarch Money. Connecting your accounts is a breeze. Just click Add Account, search for your bank or credit card, and enter your credentials. Monarch automatically categorizes your transactions, learning your spending habits over time. You can easily customize categories if needed, ensuring accurate tracking. Now, let's dive into Tiller. Tiller is a bit different. It lives entirely within Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. After linking your accounts through the Tiller Money Feeds add-in, your transactions are automatically pulled into your spreadsheet daily. Monarch excels at providing a polished, user-friendly app experience. Its dashboard offers clear visuals of your net worth, cash flow, and spending trends. Tiller, on the other hand, gives you the raw data and the power to build your own custom reports and dashboards within your spreadsheet. Monarch's budgeting tools are integrated seamlessly. Create budgets for each category, track your progress, and receive alerts when you're nearing your limits. The rollover feature is handy for managing variable expenses. Tiller's budgeting requires more manual setup. You'll need to create your own budget categories and formulas within your spreadsheet. However, this gives you ultimate flexibility to tailor your budgeting system to your specific needs. Think custom calculations, personalized reports. The possibilities are endless if you know your way around spreadsheets. Monarch Money offers collaboration features, allowing you to easily share your finances with a partner or family member. This makes joint budgeting and financial planning much easier. Tiller relies on its vibrant community for support and inspiration. You can find pre-built spreadsheet templates, ask questions, and share your own creations with other users. Both Monarch and Tiller offer mobile access, allowing you to track your finances on the go. Monarch's app provides a user-friendly experience, while Tiller relies on the Google Sheets or Excel mobile apps. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your preferences. Choose Monarch for an intuitive app experience with built-in budgeting, or Tiller for ultimate customization and spreadsheet power. Now get out there and start budgeting.